Research is the backbone of innovation. In every field, be it science, marketing, or business, you need to spend endless hours of researching, sifting through endless papers, and struggling to create a solid literature review. And we know this whole process is daunting. So what if I tell you that I have for you an AI-powered product that will simplify research for you? It is called Consensus. This is an academic research tool backed by AI that will not only help you find the right papers, but answer your questions and help you draft a better literature review. The best part is, this product is not only for researchers and scientists or just for your PhD dissertation. It is beyond that. It can be used by health workers, it can be used by content creators, and just everyday consumer. The idea is to use this one tool to gather all the information and data that are required. You can also just use it to satisfy your curiosity. So Consensus has some really amazing features. Let's dive in and I'll show you the product. When you type consensus.app, it will take you to this homepage and you click here, try for free. And this will ask you to make an account with your email address. Once that is done, you see that you are now signed in. And there you go. This is their main page. And you keep in mind that Consensus is a search engine. You put your query in and it will give you all the information, including the research papers as well as books and other material that is available on the internet. This is the block where you write your question. If you scroll down, here are some examples for the questions. For example, questions about parenting, sleep, history, environmental science. So the grand scheme of topics are covered here: fitness, business, and so on. All right, now comes how to actually search. Like, what should I write? What questions should I add? This is where the easiness comes in. You can write open-ended questions. For example, types of breads available in Germany. Or you can ask a yes or no question. Even if you're unable to develop a question, you can just write the keywords. For example, bread and gluten, and then you can get to know more and more information and the relationship between the two keywords that you've written. You can ask how-to questions, how to prepare for a half marathon. Consensus searches only the peer-reviewed scientific papers, and that makes your result most credible. All right, let's go down here, education and learning strategies, one of my favorite topics, and I can choose the middle one, benefits and drawbacks of online versus in-person learning. I'm more than amazed to see that I have a result as a table. And here, if you see written 1, 4, 6, these are the research papers where this particular information has been identified from. Let me first just go down and show you. Here is the summary. Under the heading results, you see that you have all the papers mentioned with the number and then their paper. If I click on the title of the paper, I get here where the first part is showing what answer they have gathered from the paper. And if we go down, we have information about that paper. So I can cite it directly, I can share it to Twitter or just the page link. I can have my PDF here. I can view the full text. And there's an option of Semantic Scholar, and if I click that, I will get to semanticscholar.org, and then there will be further information. Semantic Scholar is another AI-powered research tool, and I have talked about it in one of my videos. I'm going to share the link here. Have a look. Now coming back to our answer, which was the table, and I would go down and show you one quick point here. This here shows pro analysis of 10 papers. So this shows that 10 papers have been used to get the information for the answer. All right, now let's see within these 10 papers how we can play around and get more information. Let's say if I'm interested in one particular topic here and I want further information on that. So let's say technological skills, the last point, and that comes from paper number 7. If I click that, it will make me come down and I have my paper number 7 here, and benefits of online schooling. And there you see ask the paper. So I will click here, ask the paper, and it will show me the paper on the left side. That's the whole paper. And I can here on the right side ask anything about the paper. Let's use one of the examples that we already have. Summarize it for me. Here is the summary. And then I can ask, what are the limitations of this paper? Then you can get the paper as a separate file. And if you click here, that's the download option. So you can download the paper. Let's go back. And you see these little chunks where you see highly cited. So that's very good because I think Here you can understand what papers are cited the most for that particular topic. All right, let's go back to search. Here I would like to show you the option of filter. On the right side, you get to see some filters that you can apply on your own. Say I want only the ones that were published in 2023. I can go down and say open access papers. This part is methods. So this will show you what study types do you want the information to be gathered from. For example, do you want meta-analysis, which is statistical analysis combining multiple studies? I think yes, let's do it. Then observational studies, there's literature review, there are trace reports. Then if you come down here, you have journals. In journals, there is SJR rating, which is the rating of influence of the journal within the domain. It's from Q1 to Q4, where Q1 is the most influential and Q4 being the least influential. So I think let's go for Q1 and Q2. And then you have the option of domains. So you can select the field that you would like the information to come from, and then the country if you're very particular about. Click apply, and my answer has been revised. Now, once I have the answer, I can copy the text and paste it in any of the Word document. I can copy with citations. The citation is coming here, and if I change it to Chicago, it's going to change. And if I want numeric, which was the case in the answer, I can just keep it numeric and then copy the text. And then the references will also be pasted along with that. Now let me quickly show you one more thing. If you are on their main page, consensus.app homepage, and then you click here on the resources and then science content, you go down and you see that they have their own science digest, which is so amazing because they have all the information gathered from all the domains within the field of science. And let's click on one here. So this is digest number 4, having articles on ecology, chemistry, medicine, and so much more. If I click here within the example question and I say what are the large language models, I will be taken to their result web page, and you see they have provided me the information of the definition and the key features, explanation with a conclusion. With one question, I get more and more and more information, even while reading one article. And I also want to show you the pricing plan. Even the free version is offering so much. And then there are the premium version, there's a version of you in Teams. And if you are a student, you get to have a 40% discount. All you have to do is sign up using your university's email address. Reviews say that this product is a lot better than Google Scholar just because there is no tedious scanning and it's faster and quicker, and it has simplified the research part for you. Now, try it out for free or use your student discount and let me know what you think about the product and if it's going to help you with your curiosity and fun learning. Until my next video, bye-bye.